Understanding damages, economic and non-economic. Hi, I'm attorney Justin Elsner. I'm a personal injury attorney. So in our legal world, we define damages in two categories when it involves a personal injury case. So economic damages, simply put, is anything you can put a specific dollar number to. So that is going to be the repair or replacement of your vehicle, diminished value to your vehicle, loss of use of your vehicle. It's also include medical bills, any kind of medical treatment that you received. It's going to include any kind of wage loss or loss of profit. Additionally, any other ancillary losses you may have. Sometimes we've had clients who've had to drop out of school, so they lost that tuition money, cancel vacations, so they had lost out on excursions they had paid for, airline tickets, things like that. So anything you can put a specific dollar number to is under that category of economic damages. Non-economic damages are a lot more up in the air in how you would define that. And so generally we consider that in the pain and suffering category. But it also includes your loss of enjoyment of life, the annoyance of dealing with your claim, any kind of hassles, the stress, anxiety, if you have some sort of depression, if you decide not to drive for a while. And within those categories, then you basically look at the person's life. So how is the person impacted? It can be from simple things like having their sleep impacted, just kind of having headaches that slows them down. Maybe now what used to take you 4 hours of work would take you 6 hours of work. It's the hassle of not being able to take care of your house, and maybe you had to hire somebody for that. It also just involves more basic things of your hobbies. If it's, maybe you are a hiker, now you couldn't hike for a while, or maybe not at all anymore. You couldn't play sports that you used to play. Maybe you couldn't pick your kids up and throw them around on the couch. All those different things impact our enjoyment of our life, and that is non-economic. And so that number is going to be the biggest number that will have variability from case to case, because obviously the extent of your injuries, the type of your injuries, the length of recovery that you go through, the type of treatment that you've had to endure, and then just generally the impact on life in the past and then going forward are all going to impact that number. And so there isn't a very simple calculation that the court would use to calculate that. It's based on so many factors, which is why it's really important to have somebody that can explain those to an insurance adjuster if you have a claim for injuries. And so it's important to personalize the individual when bringing that claim with the insurance company. So if you've been in a collision and you're having some questions about economic, non-economic damages, how to make sure that all those are covered with the insurance company, feel free to reach out to us because we do offer a free consultation.